This captivating video provides a fascinating glimpse into the enchanting world of Nakshatra Garden. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for timely notifications to stay updated on our latest horticultural videos. In the Vedic system of astrology, the 27 constellations or nakshatras under 12 zodiac signs are intricately connected with specific plants. When these plants are laid out in accordance with the positions of the stars or constellations, they form the Nakshatra Garden. Ashwini Nakshatra is associated with poison nut tree. Bharni Nakshatra is connected with Amla tree. Kritika Nakshatra is linked with cluster fig tree. Rohini Nakshatra is associated with Jamun tree. Mrigashirsha Nakshatra is connected with Khair tree. Ardra Nakshatra is linked with long pepper vine. Punarvasu Nakshatra is associated with bamboo. Pushya Nakshatra is connected with sacred fig tree. Ashlesh Nakshatra is linked with Alexandrian laurel tree. Magha Nakshatra is associated with banyan tree. Purva Falguni Nakshatra is connected with flame of the forest tree. Uttara Falguni Nakshatra is linked with dai fig tree. Hasta Nakshatra is associated with wild mango tree. Chitra Nakshatra is connected with bale tree. Swati Nakshatra is linked with Arjuna tree. Vishaka Nakshatra is associated with wood apple tree. Anuradha Nakshatra is connected with bullet wood tree. Jyeshtha Nakshatra is linked with red silk cotton. Mula Nakshatra is associated with sal tree. Purva Ashadha Nakshatra is connected with Ashoka tree. Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra is linked with jackfruit tree. Shravana Nakshatra is associated with giant milkweed. Dhanishta Nakshatra is connected with khejri tree. Shatbisha Nakshatra is linked with Kadamba tree. Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra is associated with mango tree. Uttara Bhadrapada Nakshatra is connected with neem tree. Revati Nakshatra is linked with mahua tree.